This tutorial is for new Cowie users and explains the billing info section on the account page. What you see and the actions available in this section depend on your user roles and permissions. The billing info section on the account page provides an easy way to add a charge or a credit on the account, and a quick way to pay all outstanding invoices using the payment method available on the account. This section also shows the account balance, which is the total amount of money due on the account, and includes any account credits. Account credit is the amount of money owed to the customer. Overdue status tells you if the account has failed to pay their invoice by their designated due date. It's important to note that the account can have a negative account balance, in red, but not be overdue. That's because overdue status depends on invoice due dates and how late payments are defined based on a company's business policy. For example, an invoice may not be overdue if a company allows a 15-day grace period to make a payment. The bill cycle day and next invoice date are populated if the account has an active subscription. Trigger invoice generation lets you generate an invoice based on the current account balance, account credits, and bill cycle day of the active subscription. The dry run setting lets you generate an invoice as a test. You'll learn more about paying all invoices, adding credits, creating charges, and the trigger invoice generation feature in later videos. For more information, please visit docs.killbill.io to learn more about Cowie, its features, and configurations.